Hello, this video is all about how to download MySQL for Windows. First of all, go to our search engine and search for MySQL download and go to this page, MySQL downloads, open that thing. Here scroll down a little bit and go for MySQL community GPL downloads. Here, MySQL installer for Windows, press on that. There are two download options you can see here. Go for the second one because it has 306.4 MB. So it contains all the required packages. Go to this download option. Here click on no thanks, just start my download. The file is getting downloaded. Wait for a while until it is completely gets downloaded. The file is downloaded and click on that. Here you have to select this server only option. Go for next, execute the server. Once it is completed, go for next option, press next, go to the next. Here you have to give the password. You need to re-enter that thing also because this is the password you required to give while you log into your MySQL Workbench or something like that. Go for the next option. Go for execute. Now click on the finish button. You can go for next. Now the process is completed, so go for finish. So go and check for the application MySQL installer over here. Click on this. Here you can add Workbench, so go for this add button. You can see MySQL application is there. Click on that plus icon applications. Click on this plus icon for Workbench. Click on that plus icon for MySQL Workbench. So many versions are available over here. You can click the version you need to configure. I am selecting the latest version. Click on this and go for this green button, arrow button over there. Go for next. Now go to the execute option. The installation process is now complete. Go for next. You can press on this finish button. Now the whole process is done and this is the interface for your MySQL Workbench. Click on this local instance and give the password you have entered at the time of installation over here and go for the OK button. And this is the interface of MySQL Workbench. You can write your SQL queries over here and here is the run icon that you can use to run your SQL queries over here. And this is all about this video. Thank you so much.